forever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pose him that way, probably climbing up. Or really gets paid. Oh yeah, shows that those coming. We get.
Oh wow. You know what? I'm just.
But the details. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox Lando Calrissian 40th anniversary Empire Strikes Back. I know this figure has gotten mixed reviews, but to me, you have to have a Lando. I mean, and the Lando for me is this Lando. So when I saw him at my local comic store here in Vegas, I had to grab him. And I know it's been a while since I did an unboxing for you guys, but if you're recently bought a house or looking for a house, so you know the struggle out there. But here we are, Lando Calrissian. I know he has a sleeve, kind of like the Darth Vader 40th anniversary. Packaging, yes, it does. And I think that, you know what, that Darth Vader I think was my very first Hot Toys that I unboxed in this channel, and I really like this packaging, the old Kenner style boxing. I think this one kind of like, for some reason I thought the Darth Vader one kind of like was velcroed and we able to open it this way, but looks like this one you can't. Oh yeah, you can. It's from the bottom. Here we go. Opens from the bottom. And there he is. Right? Looks epic. Let's see the box art on the side. Yeah. That's Lando all day with Boba. So, let's see. I don't know, guys. He looks pretty good to me. So, without further ado, let's get Lando and all the accessories that he came with. And we'll check him out, see how he looks. And here they are, guys. I mean, he didn't come with much, but then again, Lando didn't really come with much, right? Let's see. He came with 2 or 3 pairs, the one that's on him right now. But he also came with 2 other pairs of hands. He's got a left and a right closed fist. You already know the detail. Looks really good. Right, you can even see the veins right there on his hands. Same thing with the right one. Pretty good. And he also came with a pair of maybe this one is what he used to hold his communicator. Maybe no, maybe this is this is definitely a trigger finger, and maybe this one is for his blaster, or he can use it to hold a couple accessories that it came with. He came with his communicator right there. Let's see if we can see how good that looks. Detail is really good. Right. A little bit of nice weathering there. You know, Hot Toys don't mess around. And his wrist link that he wears. Like again, the level of details that Hot Toys give us is just really good. Paint app is really good. And the material of the band is, I think, maybe a plastic, maybe. There you go. There's no Velcro there, so it probably just slides up. He came with his pistol. There's some a bit of not much weathering on this weapon there. but the details looks amazing. Here you go. And here comes his rifle. Right? A stormtrooper rifle. Weathering. There's some copper showing there in the rifle, but the detail on the grip looks good. We've seen this before, but still, I like when we get extra accessories that the actual character used. There you go. We also got one of the grabber there and a stand. Kind of look like a Cloud City. Star Wars Lando Calrissian right there. And I didn't take the cape out of the packaging because I wanted to show you guys how well they packed that. Pretty good. It's like in a clamshell there. And we also got a Cloud City theme backdrop. I don't know if I'll use it, but it's nice that we got one. There you go. It's made out of cardboard. You can kind of see the artwork there. The hallway inside. And of course, we got a instruction sheet. Let's check it out. Little posters of Star Wars continues. Empire Strikes Back. Let's see. It looks like it shows you how to put the cape on, how to put on the wrist link. Looks like you pop the hands off, and yeah, in the backdrop, the communicator. Yeah, I don't normally look at like a instruction sheet, but I do find Hot Toys instruction sheet pretty useful, especially when you're trying to put on accessories and put capes on and swapping the head. Is there a tape there? Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. Clamshell out. And there you are, guys. Material's pretty nice. Is there any wire in the bottom? Maybe? I don't think so. I don't feel anything. So it's probably just kind of like going to drape on Lando here. But love the details. Looks really nice. Probably wrinkle. Maybe that's why. Well, looks pretty good. Let's check Lando out. Man, that looks good. That looks real good. Normally you have to take the head off to get that piece off. And you already know how crazy Hot Toys are when it comes to wrapping the boots. Man, they're out of control with this. But I guess I do appreciate it because it does protect the boots or the material of the figure. But man, there's one time I was doing an unboxing and it was live, and man, it took me a while to take it off. This one doesn't seem to be that bad. There we go. Maybe I should have just popped his shoes off and then pull them out, right? probably flip. Let's try this with the hand. There we go. There it is. I'll let you guys. I'll just kind of turn him so you guys can see every detail. I'll try to get some close up. Man, he definitely looks way better in person than he does in the box, on the outside of the box there, I have to say. And it seems like his shirt is kind of like the same material as the cape. Yep. His belt is leather. His pants is the same material as the shirt and the cape. And let's look at the details on his boots. I mean, he's gonna be hard to pose, but then again, he's not really like, you know, any crazy dynamic pose or that he does in the movie. So he did come with an extra pair of pegs, though. I probably left it in the packaging there. But yeah, guys, Lando looks epic. The only things Lando I like, this one. His elbow bends all the way that way. His head up and down. Does he have a little? There you go. Crouch all the way that way. He is careful. Yep. Go that far. I do like his pants though, because it doesn't look like it wrinkles that much, because Lando, you know, he's got the cool dude look in Star Wars, especially in the younger years. Not so much when I got old. But yeah. So what do you guys think? I think he definitely deserves a spot in your collection. For me, this Lando at least. Definitely grab one. I think he's still on Sideshow website. Do check your local toy store. But yeah, man, he looks definitely good. Let's do a couple poses for you guys, and we'll take it from there. And there he is, guys. You know what? I have to say right off the bat before I forget. He is amazingly, probably one of the best figure to pose. I mean, the way that his head tilts all the way down like this, it makes it a lot easier to do him with some different poses. But he is stable. I don't have to use this. I hate using this anyways, and a stand. But yeah, he is definitely well balanced, easy to pose. You set him down, he stands like that. The cape, I don't know. I think I might need to, I don't know, spray it down with something, because it just kind of like, I don't know, poof to the left and to the right. But yeah, he is definitely very easy to pose. So let's do another pose. Man, there's pose number 2. Everything looks good, man, but yeah, the cape. Well, you know what? I don't know. I think I'm gonna look at one of the pictures that they included at pre-order, just to see if that would definitely, yeah, it looks more like, yeah. I wish there's some wiring on the bottom of this. But once again, he is definitely easy to pose. Swap a hand, put his communicator, and he looks good, guys. He looks good. At this point, I mean, if it's just the cape, I mean, I don't know. Cape looks nice though, but I'm definitely liking this Lando. I didn't think I was gonna like him this much, but like I said, guys, he looks stunning in person. If you don't have one, I mean, definitely, I would definitely grab them. So yeah, let's do our final last post. I don't know. I try my best to copy what they have here. Let's see. Right there. I mean, you can, but that cape. I mean, they must have that did a lot of, because it just doesn't want to drape down. It kind of like want to stick up, maybe because of the packaging, been sitting in the package for a long time. But yeah, but you know, like I said, he's very stable. You know, besides the cape, I think it's a solid Lando, like a really solid Lando. I can't wait to get him on display. He's definitely very cool, guys. I don't know. You guys have a Lando? I mean, do you guys have the same problem as I'm having with the cape? Do you have any suggestion how to get it down or drape down a little bit more instead of let's see, sticking out like that? See in the back. But I'm glad I picked him up. Lando Calrissian, 40th anniversary, Empire Strikes Back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've never been here before, I do a lot of unboxing, Hot Toy, Sideshow, some Black Series, and some helmets. Anything really Star Wars, Marvel now, and man, you know, once you get a Marvel, then you get another Marvel, then you get another, man, you know what I'm talking about. So, until next time, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the flip side.